Did you know that Senegal is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Mauritania to the north, Mali to the east, Guinea and Guinea-Bissau to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Senegal is a medium-sized country, with an area of 196,722 square kilometers, 76,000 square miles. The highest point is Mont Assiric, which is 674 meters, 2,211 feet, tall. Senegal is also home to a long coastline on the Atlantic Ocean, as well as several large rivers, including the Senegal River. Did you know that the Gambia is the smallest country in mainland Africa? It is a narrow strip of land surrounded by Senegal on all sides, except for a short Atlantic coastline. The Gambia is a very flat country, with its highest point being only 53 meters, 174 feet, above sea level. The country is dominated by the Gambia River, which flows through the center of the country and provides a vital source of transportation and water. Did you know that Guinea-Bissau is a small country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Senegal to the north, Guinea to the south and east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Guinea-Bissau is a small country, with an area of 36,125 square kilometers, 13,948 square miles. The highest point is Monte Torin, which is 262 meters, 860 feet, tall. Guinea-Bissau also has over 300 kilometers, 190 miles, of coastline on the Atlantic Ocean. Did you know that Guinea, also known as Guinea-Conakry, is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Guinea-Bissau and Senegal to the north, Mali to the northeast, Côte d'Ivoire to the east, Liberia and Sierra Leone to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Guinea is a small country, with an area of 245,857 square kilometers, 94,929 square miles. The highest point is Mount Nimba, which is 1,752 meters, 5,748 feet, tall. Guinea also has over 300 kilometers, 190 miles, of coastline on the Atlantic Ocean. Did you know that Sierra Leone is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Guinea to the north and northeast, Liberia to the south and southeast, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Sierra Leone is a medium-sized country, with an area of 71,740 square kilometers, 27,699 square miles. The highest point is Mount Bintamani, which is 1,948 meters, 6,391 feet, tall. Sierra Leone is also home to a long coastline on the Atlantic Ocean, as well as several large rivers, including the Rokel River. Did you know that Liberia is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Sierra Leone to the northwest, Guinea to the north, Côte d'Ivoire to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south. Liberia is a small country, with an area of 111,369 square kilometers, 43,000 square miles. The highest point is Mount Witive, which is 1,383 meters, 4,538 feet, tall. Liberia also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Atlantic Ocean. Did you know that Ivory Coast, officially known as the Republic of Côte d'Ivoire, is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Guinea to the northwest, Mali to the north, Burkina Faso to the northeast, Ghana to the east, Liberia to the south, and the Gulf of Guinea to the southwest. Ivory Coast is a small country, with an area of 322,463 square kilometers, 124,503 square miles. The highest point is Mount Nimba, which is 1,752 meters, 5,748 feet, tall. Ivory Coast also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Gulf of Guinea. Did you know that Ghana is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Burkina Faso to the north, Togo to the east, the Gulf of Guinea to the south, and Côte d'Ivoire to the west. Ghana is a small country, with an area of 238,540 square kilometers, 92,100 square miles. The highest point is Mount Afajado, which is 885 meters, 2,904 feet, tall. Ghana also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Gulf of Guinea. Did you know that Togo is a small country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Benin to the east, Ghana to the west, Burkina Faso to the north, and the Gulf of Guinea to the south. Togo has a diverse landscape, with coastal plains, hills, and plateaus. The highest point is Mont Aigu, which is 986 meters, 3,238 feet, tall. Togo is also home to several rivers, including the Mono River and the Oga River. Did you know that Benin is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Togo to the west, Burkina Faso and Niger to the north, Nigeria to the east, the Bight of Benin to the south. Benin is a small country, with an area of 112,622 square kilometers, 43,483 square miles. The highest point is Mont Sakbaro, which is 658 meters, 2,159 feet, tall. Benin also has over 120 kilometers, 75 miles, of coastline on the Bight of Benin. Did you know that Nigeria is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Benin to the west, Niger to the north, Chad and Cameroon to the east, and the Gulf of Guinea to the south. Nigeria is a large country, with an area of 923,768 square kilometers, 356,669 square miles. The highest point is Chapal Wadi, which is 2,419 meters, 7,936 feet, tall. Nigeria is also home to a long coastline on the Gulf of Guinea, as well as several large rivers, including the Niger River. Did you know that Cameroon is a country located in Central Africa? It is bordered by Nigeria to the northwest, Chad to the north, the Central African Republic to the east, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, and the Republic of the Congo to the south, the Gulf of Guinea to the southwest. Cameroon is a large country, with an area of 475,442 square kilometers, 183,569 square miles. The highest point is Mount Cameroon, which is 4,040 meters, 13,255 feet, tall. Cameroon also has over 400 kilometers, 250 miles, of coastline on the Gulf of Guinea. Did you know that Equatorial Guinea is a small country located in Central Africa? It is made up of two main parts, the mainland region of Rio Muni and the islands of Bioko, Annobon, Corisco, and Alobi Grande. Equatorial Guinea is a small country, with an area of 28,051 square kilometers, 10,831 square miles. The highest point is Pico Basile, which is 3,008 meters, 9,869 feet, tall. Equatorial Guinea also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Gulf of Guinea and the Atlantic Ocean.